That was mighty bold of you to take somebody else's credit card and you're enjoying a pedicure or manicure at a salon. Why would you do this? Court is calling 2025 CR 011527, State versus Mandy Wallace. Could I have parties announced for the record?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Christopher Simpkins for the defense.
And are you Mandy Wallace?
Yes.
Counsel, you received all discovery. Did you review it with your client?
I have, and I signed the certification.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Wallace, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented
Yes, sir.
on all counts?
Yes, sir.
All right, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
You're charged with credit card or debit abuse and 5 counts. Each of those counts is a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes,
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I believe she does.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
In my opinion, she was.
Ms. Wallace, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Did you understand if you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and not reentry?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, there's a $0 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. There's to be restitution of $245.21 to Frost Bank. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, sir.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Judge.
I'm sorry, defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Judge.
For some reason, we can't hear you.
That's weird.
I don't know what is happening.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me, Judge?
All right, any objection to the court chatting with Mr. Simpkins and repeating his answers in the chat?
No, Your
Judge, can you hear me?
All right, the court is asking the defense counsel if he understands that to be the plea. He states yes. And defense, are you able to hear us?
I can hear you, Judge.
All right, then defense, if you'll just make sure you put your answers in the chat for me, and then I will read those. And according to the plea bargain agreement, any objection to the court adding that you all are proceeding on counts 1 through 5?
No objection.
Any objection? Defense. All right, did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions? Defense attorney responds no. Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 5 years, that there be a TAP evaluation, 200 hours of community service restitution, no contact with the complainant, the anti-theft course, and the life skills course. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, sir.
Then to count one, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest.
How do you plead to count two?
No contest.
Count three?
No contest.
Count four?
No contest.
Count five?
No contest.
State any evidence.
State offer states one and attachment.
Defense, do you have any objections to states one and attachments? Defense responds no. Ms. Wallace, did you review the document entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits one and attachments, and the court will review the same. After reviewing states exhibits one and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing? Oh, just 1 second. Defense, yes. Defense attorney says yes, we're proceeding with sentencing. Is there anything you wish to say on behalf of your client, defense? All right, defense states he's asking that I follow the plea bargain agreement. All right, Ms. Wallace, that was mighty bold of you to take somebody else's credit card and you're enjoying a pedicure or manicure at a salon. Why would you do this?
It's a card, the wallet was on the ground, I picked it up and it was just the instinct thing that I had. Just a bad instinct.
And I don't know why these places keep allowing people to use credit card and they don't even ask for identification.
Right.
And the guy, well, I mean, you're saying right, but you shouldn't have been doing it either. And then you have them, and this credit card comes back to a man, and I'm sure there is a man's name on it, and they don't even say anything to you. Did they question you about why you had the credit card?
No, ma'am.
How are you going to pay back this $245 to Frost Bank?
With work, construction job. I have a day labor company that I work for.
Why were you not working before?
Well, I mean, I worked part-time with pay setters.
But I mean, why would you take a credit card and use it? Why not use your own money?
Like I said, it was just a bad instinct that I had at the time.
How old are you?
I'm 46.
And you didn't have any fear in your heart each time you were going to use the credit card at different places?
I did. I was having a bad day. I think I just had a bad day. And
Do you have children?
yes, I do.
And what are their ages?
One just turned 13, 12, and 20.
Do any of them live with you?
They're with their dad.
Have they lived with you ever?
Yes. When they're 5 years old.
All right, so 5 years old is the last time they lived with you.
Yeah.
Why is that?
Because I had a CPS case and the COVID came around and I lost my housing.
Mhm.
And then someone stole my vehicle and I've just been through a lot since then.
So why
Never
did
got back on my feet.
Child Protective Services get involved in your life?
My ex called Child Protective Services because
Why?
I kicked him out.
No, there has to be something else going on. Was there a
There
drug
drugs
issue?
involved.
I'm sorry, what?
There was drugs involved.
All right, what type of drugs?
Methamphetamines.
Okay, when's the last time you used before you were arrested?
I'm sorry.
When was the last time you used? And I mean before you were arrested.
Before I was arrested, it was about a week.
Okay, and how often?
I mean, I was using weekly.
Okay. All right. This is what the court will do. The court will sentence you to 5 years deferred adjudication. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment within 45 days of release. There should be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. No unsupervised contact with minors. No residing in homes with minors. There's to be no contact with the complainant. There's to be restitution of $245.21 to Frost Bank. There's to be 200 hours of community service restitution. How far did you go in school?
Went to college, got my GED,
Okay.
and gone to nursing school.
All right. There's going to be 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to require parenting classes. Once that's complete, community service hours will be deemed satisfied. Field visits 1 time per month until further notice. In custody, I'm going to want a referral to felony drug court and a TAP evaluation. If not accepted in felony drug court, then follow all TAP recommendations. Probation, there's also a life skills course. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes,
Because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing, you're gonna have to maintain your sobriety. And when you're on probation, you're not allowed to use marijuana unless you have a prescription for it. So don't go testing positive. The felony drug court program is a very good program. So do your best, be honest with them so you can get in that program, okay? And they'll help you get your life together, okay? All right, good luck to you.